The objective of the Partition Cell G station is to assemble the partitions for packing containers. The equipment used during this process is the work table, part bins, bander, and foam used as a platform. The materials used during this process are the partition, piece A, piece B, bundle of 4 partitions, and the pallet. These photos depict the Partition Cell G station and the dimensions of the workspace. Considering the worker height is about 5 feet or 60 inches tall, this affects how the employees interact with the product and equipment throughout the day. The process for the Partition Cell G station is to retrieve the corrugated pieces A and B. Then the B pieces are positioned in the slots of the A pieces, and then the completed unit is folded 3 times. Next, 4 pieces are banded with 2 straps by feeding the strap through the machine slot and activating the machine. Lastly, the banded stack of partitions is carried and positioned onto the pallet. It was noticed that awkward postures and forceful exertions were observed from the employees to interact with the workspace. Forceful exertions are required to carry the corrugated partitions to the bander and to manipulate and position the cardboard. Continuous forward bending of the neck and neck twisting is seen while positioning the corrugated pieces. Elevated arms are required to retrieve the corrugated stack, while extreme forward bending of the torso is seen to get the banding material. Extreme forward bending of the torso and extended arms are required to stack the banded partitions on the lower levels of the pallet, while neck twisting is seen in order to position the corrugated partitions. Contact stress between the palm and the corrugated pieces is seen in order to push the partitions into position. To summarize this process, the Partition Cell G station is a medium to high-paced job requiring forceful exertions to lift, carry, and position the bundle of partitions and to assemble the partitions. In addition, awkward postures of the neck, torso, arms, and hands are seen, and localized contact stress between the palm and hand and the corrugated material were observed as well. The following recommendations are made for the Partition Cell G tasks. Consider using gloves that will increase friction, as in rubber palms and fingers or rubber nubbies on the palm and fingers, between the hand and the corrugated material to decrease forceful exertions. Consider using gloves with a gel pad in the palms to decrease contact stress associated with pushing and pounding the partitions into position. Investigate adjustable height and tilt tables that can be adjusted by the user to decrease posture stress and eliminate the platform. Investigate methods for banding the partitions without the worker having to reach across the stack of partitions to decrease posture stress. Consider using an adjustable height lift table for the stacks of completed partitions to decrease posture stress. Thank you.